Hi everyone. I think I found the issue. The CV axle is not installed correctly. So, I'm gonna turn my flashlight on. It's supposed to sit in that hole, and it's actually sitting on the outside of it, on the ring on the bottom. You can see where everything's getting chewed up. There's like sparkly stuff, which is metal. So, and it's out. It would have more play, which would give everything access to move properly the way it should. And it's sitting out of that hole about, like, if it was in the hole, it would have about a ½ inch more room of play, which is causing, like, the hard to see on this side, but the other side looks worse. Like, there's nowhere for this part of the CV axle to go. So I'm gonna take the CV axle out in the morning when I can find a socket that fits this nut. Hopefully I can find one that's a ½ inch drive, because that's what I have. So I'm pretty sure that's it. And then, so you can see like the color, maybe not. I could see earlier that the color of the bolts changing, where these would probably be knocked off and break eventually. And I feel like that's about a ½ inch of room where it's like, you know, where everything's not supposed to go. So like, I don't know. I just feel like that ½ inch, and it's sitting there on the bottom instead of that being inside. Oops. Inside that hole. Like, I shouldn't be seeing the top of that, the inside of that hole. Like, everything should be flush and look pretty. So yeah, you can see where it's getting chewed up on the outside, and on the bottom it's worse. There's like a gasket too, so the gasket is kind of saving everything, but it's not going to save it for long. But it just makes sense where I said that it was going to push, where I felt like everything was just pushing this way. So eventually I'll be on the road tomorrow. I'm gonna wait for Napa to open. Hopefully they open early. I always say I'm gonna get somewhere early, and it never happens though. So I think that's the problem. I wonder if I can drive with only one CV axle out, or if I should take both out. So hopefully it's just one. I don't want to do both. I'll report back tomorrow.